Hello people! Day 12 na ng Ramadan serye. At wala tayong paluto today dahil sa kabilang bahay sa brother ng amo kong babae sila kumain. At itong pangalawa kong alaga ay nangungulit dahil magpapatulong daw siya at gagawa daw siya ng sweet. Meron siyang sinusundang video, nakita niya ata tapos nag-grave. Ayun, gagawa daw siya at dadalhin doon sa kabilang bahay sa mga pinsan niya. Mahilig na rin siyang gumagawa ng kung ano-ano. Yun nga lang, kailangan talagang i-assist. Dati, yung lagi nangungulit sa akin dito sa kusina is yung panganay na alaga na ngayon dalaga na. Ganitong edad din siya dati, yung panganay na alaga. Lagi dito sa kusina, gusto nila mag-slice ng fruits, mag-slice ng gulay, o kung ano pang gusto niyang tumulong sa akin. Yung ginawa namin dyan is Oreo pudding. Well, nag-prepare ako ng cream, inutusan ko siyang magtunaw ng chocolate. Ibibit lang natin yung analog cream, condensed milk, Dream Whip powder, at naglagay tayo ng 6 na pieces na cream cheese. Ibibit lang natin yan until mag-double ang size.
We have also curry. Where you buy? You didn't ask me.
It didn't melt.
My video is open. What?
It didn't melt.
More. How many can I?
I think she put 4.
But this one is big.
And we put 6. It's all 6.
Pagkatapos namin ginawa yan, pinalamig namin sa fridge para mag-set palalo yung cream at yung chocolate. Tapos dinala namin yan doon sa kabilang bahay kung saan sila invited.
Just leave it the inside. One. Or mix. Try to mix this. Now you love sweet, huh? Here. Which Oreo? Diba, all Oreo?
What?
You have biscuits, huh?
No, in this one?
The all curd.
Yes, we put
no?
Oreo, and then the other, we put first thing Oreo, then we put this, and then we put the Oreo, and then we
Can I
put
see the video?
Yes, here.
See.
See, first thing he put here's the Oreo, and then he put all this, and then he put the Oreo. See, now he put Oreo.
So where is the biscuit?
It's there. Ma, I'll bring it.
Oreo pala una, pastilan dolor. Alhamdulillah, win eh! Bakit? Wala? It's good the circle. Circle dahada o circle different. More? Malapsat?
Yes.
Bago ko pa pinakamayan sa kanya, pinahugas ko naman yan ng kamay. Yung Oreo dinip sa fresh milk and then layered sa Pyrex. And then pagkatapos niyan ay naglagay kami ng cream, yung cream ko kanina, yung cream mixture. And then naglagay tayo ng Olker or Graham crackers or Marie yung meron kami dahil akala nila yung Olker na biscuit ay nasama sa pag-order pero wala pala. Buti lang meron kaming Marie na biscuit. So, yung Oreo, tapos yung cream, and then yung Marie, and then yung cream uli na natira, lagyan ng chocolate na melted, and then Oreo uli. So, yun na yun.
Only one?
Yes.
Then I put this.
Yes.
Only one time, huh?
Yes. I think yes. We will see.
I didn't try it.
Yummy.
You have to put it again with, I think, the Galaxy, the chocolate. It's with above the alcohol. And then we put Oreo.
Yeah. Then,
Then we,
damari.
yes.
Damari with milk also?
Yes. I will do the biscuit.
Ay, bien. Faster. Very slow. I think it's more yummy this than the other.
Try.
Alas? Iwan.
Yes, one more.
Then,
And then I put the chocolate with the cream.
okay.
Very easy. I can do alone, Tom.
You can do alone, but you call me.
Because I did research, it is very hard. Yes. And because I don't know how to cook. Yesterday I was gonna burn the house.
Why you leave it here, the burner?
No, because I didn't do them yet. I put it very, very hot. And then the water falls in the hot sink. And then the fire, ting! And then I didn't take it off because I know how. Yes, I off it. And the gummy was bad.
Why? It's overcooked.
It's very soft.
Yeah, it's overcooked.
Ooh.
Then, what is the next? This one.
Then when you put it, I think this is the last thing.
Oreo.
Yes, then you put Oreo above it. The boy, it's see, for him,
Ice cream.
it's very chocolatey.
I don't know. But I think it's the same.
And then you put the Oreo.
Maybe you put a little chocolate. Put ade. It's yummy. Yalla, put Oreo. Madam kalas?
Yes. You put it in the fridge.
Then what we call this? Abdul Ila sweet?
Yes.
Mashallah.
Yes. I was gonna do Oreo pudding with this cake. You put it this, like this, like this.
Make it circle, Ashan. It's nice. You circle your things.
Just make a circle thing.
See, I'm smarter than you.
No, you're not.
You are wasting a lot of Oreo. See, come on here.
Oh,
We will cover it all. More, Annie. Pull up this. Ashan, pull.
or just we put one in the middle. It's better, okay?
Yeah, I think. And then, this is Abdul Ila sweets.
Yes, I am.
Hello people! Say hi to the guys! Hi! Magkapatid yan sila, magkapatid. Uwi na yan sa April. 22 daw, yung ate niya. Ate yan ni Gemma. Ngayon ako yung guest of honor nila. Kagabi doon sila sa bahay. Kami naman ngayon nandito. So ito yung bahay kung saan kami laging iniiwan pag wala yung mga amo. Nagabrito na sila ng sambusa kaya maingay yung ating fan dyan dahil yung amoy. So nagprito yung isa ng sambusa, ang isa naghalo ng soup. Yan yung mga sambusa nila. Okay. Bechamel macaroni ang kanilang main dish. Tayo, yung food namin ay bechamel. At corn soup. Asan na yung salad? Hindi nagbigay ng salad?
Hindi tayo binigyan niya ni Larissa.
Itong bechamel, kumuha sila muna, kinip muna bago binigay sa amin. Kaming tatlo yan kakain.
Kambal na.
Yan tayo, soup muna. Malamig naman na yung soup. Uy,
Palimit natin.
tawa ko sa soup. Natawa talaga ako sa soup na to. Yung corn soup na to, nung dumating ako, sabi ng amo, narinig ko din mismo na habang hinahalo at naka-on yung pot, sabi, huwag daw dagdagan ng tubig. So, the last time na pumunta ako dito, nung nakaraang linggo, ganito din yung soup. Dinagdagan ni Jayma, nagalit. Ngayon, kanina, ininit, tapos sabi, huwag daw dagdagan ng tubig. Di halo ng halo. Nung sinerve, nagalit. Kasi masyado dang thick. Timang, no? Kulaloon man yung amo mo eh.
Kasi dalawa lagayin kasi nagkisa din.
Masarap yung una.
Kasi dinagdagan niya ng dinagdagan, syempre wala nang lasa. Hindi ko rin tinikman yan. Pinakulo lang. Siya lang nag-ano lahat yan eh. Kaya ngayon ayaw niyang pagkalaw, patagdagan.
So, ano na naman tong pata nila? Kakaiba yung pata niya.
Yan yung chicken na ginunti-gunting ko, na yung dalawang yung buong chicken yan eh. Kinuha ko lang yung breast niya, yung mga laman.
Pata na walang eggplant, ganon?
Wala. Tinapay lang. Saka yung sauce. Masarap ba?
Masarap naman.
Ay, tayo. Soup ang una natin.
Yung kanilang bechamel.
Ayun ang bechamel.
Ang madalas na menu dito ay kundi pasta, pizza.
Ako natin binto. Kalahati lang.
Ba't yung pinto ninyo dito hindi malamig?
Dinagdagan ko na kasi ng tubig yan kanina. Eh, wala naman kaming ice. Kasi nga pinatapon naman niya nung gagawin.